Discover how to make a banana smoothie that's creamy, nutritious, and delicious. From classic recipes to creative twists, this guide covers everything you need to blend perfection. Why banana smoothies are the ultimate healthy hack. Banana smoothies are more than just a trend. They're a lifesaver for busy mornings, post-workout fuel, or a guilt-free dessert. Packed with natural sweetness, potassium, fiber, and endless customization options, bananas are the ideal base for smoothies that taste like a treat but nourish like a meal. Top benefits of banana smoothies. Checkmark: quick and easy. Ready in 5 minutes, no cooking required. Checkmark: nutrient powerhouse. Loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Checkmark: kid-friendly. Sneak in greens or protein without picky eaters noticing. Checkmark: budget-friendly. Bananas are cheap, and you can use frozen fruit. Whether you're a smoothie newbie or a blending pro, this guide will teach you how to make a banana smoothie that's so good, you'll ditch store-bought versions forever. Essential ingredients and tools. What you'll need. Bananas. Use ripe, spotty bananas for maximum sweetness. Liquid base. Milk, dairy or plant-based, coconut water, or juice. Creaminess boosters. Yogurt, nut butter, or avocado. Add-ins. Protein powder, oats, chia seeds, spinach, or cocoa powder. Ice or frozen fruit, for a thick, frosty texture. Tools. A high-speed blender, like a Vitamix or NutriBullet. Measuring cups, spoons. Optional. Reusable straws, mason jars for storage. The classic banana smoothie recipe. The ingredients. Serves 1 large ripe banana, fresh or frozen. 1 cup milk, almond, oat, or dairy. 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, or dairy-free alternative. 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, optional. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1/2 cup ice. Instructions. Add ingredients. Place banana, milk, yogurt, sweetener, and vanilla in the blender. Blend. Start on low, then increase to high until smooth, 30 to 60 seconds. Adjust. Add ice and blend again for a thicker texture. Serve. Pour into a glass and enjoy immediately. Pro tip. Freeze bananas in chunks for a creamier, ice cream-like texture. 7 irresistible banana smoothie variations. 1. Protein-packed peanut butter banana smoothie. The ingredients. 1 banana. 1 cup milk. 1 tablespoon peanut butter. 1 scoop vanilla protein powder. 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. And ice. That's why you'll love it. Perfect for post-gym recovery. 20 g plus protein. 2. Green Goddess banana smoothie. The ingredients. 1 banana. 1 cup spinach or kale. 1/2 cup pineapple chunks. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. 1 cup coconut water. Secret trick. The pineapple masks the greens, you won't taste them. 3. Chocolate banana smoothie. Dessert in a glass. Ingredients: 1 banana, 1 cup milk, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 medjool date. For sweetness, 1/2 cup ice. Bonus: add a shot of espresso for a mocha twist. 4. Tropical banana smoothie. Ingredients: 1 banana, 1/2 cup mango, 1/2 cup pineapple, 1/2 cup coconut milk, 1 tablespoon shredded coconut. Taste the vacation. Close your eyes and pretend you're on a beach. 5. Oatmeal banana breakfast smoothie. Ingredients: 1 banana, 1/4 cup rolled oats, 1 cup milk, 1 tablespoon almond butter, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. And why it works. Oats add fiber to keep you full until lunch. 6. Vegan banana smoothie. Ingredients: 1 banana, 1 cup almond milk, 1 tablespoon hemp seeds, 1 cup frozen cauliflower, stealthy veggie boost, 1 pitted plant-powered perfection, creamy without dairy. 7. Berry banana blast. Ingredients: 1 banana, 1/2 cup mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, 1 cup Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon honey, 1/2 cup ice. Antioxidant boost. Berries add a tangy kick and brain-boosting nutrients. 5 tips for the perfect banana smoothie. Freeze ahead. Peel and freeze ripe bananas in chunks for thicker smoothies. Layer smart. Add liquids first, then soft ingredients, then ice, frozen items. Boost nutrition. Add spinach, flaxseed, or protein powder without altering taste. Sweeten wisely. Skip sugar, let bananas and add-ins like dates do the work. Texture fixes. Too thick? Add more liquid. Too thin? Toss in ice or frozen fruit. 3 common mistakes to avoid. Crossmark overloading the blender. Causes uneven blending. Fill only 3/4 full. Crossmark using unripe bananas. They lack sweetness, wait for brown spots. Crossmark skipping protein, fat. Without them, you'll be hungry in an hour. FAQ. Q. Can I make a banana smoothie without a blender? A. Unfortunately, no, but immersion blenders work in a pinch. Q. How long do banana smoothies last? A. Drink immediately, or store in the fridge for up to 24 hours, shake before drinking. Q. Are banana smoothies good for weight loss? A. Yes. Use low-calorie bases, water, almond milk, and avoid added sugars. Conclusion. Blend your way to better health. Now that you know how to make a banana smoothie, it's time to get blending. Whether you crave a post-workout protein fix, a hidden veggie snack for kids, or a decadent chocolate treat, bananas are your secret weapon. Your challenge. Try one recipe this week and tag us on social media with your creation. Got a favorite combo? Share it in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.